Hi everyone, I'm Hariharan here. I'm a Selenium engineer in QSpiders Punjagutta. So along with me today, one of the students got placed in a reputed company. So first we'll welcome her. Yeah, welcome. First introduce yourself.
Hello sir, my name is Sowjanya. I am from Hutsigoda. I completed my graduation in Vigyan Institute of Technology in the stream of Computer Science. I passed in 2023 and with the accurate of 60%.
Okay. Ma, you got placed in a company, right? So what are the skills which helped you to crack the interview today?
First, after completion of my B.tech, I joined in QSpiders.
Okay.
And I am an incubation student.
Okay.
I don't have a knowledge on testing. So when I came here, I learned so many things. First one is presentation in order to improve our communication. And the next one is grooming. Whenever we going for the interview, grooming sessions will be improved me. And whenever I having the doubts in particular subject, I clear so much in that grooming. And presentation also improved me my communication skills.
Okay. Good. Super. So how was our QSpiders journey? Like how was the faculties? How you learned everything and apart from this technical?
First of all, when I am joined QSpiders, I don't have a manual testing knowledge as well as automation. But I have a programming knowledge, but I don't have a automation knowledge.
Okay.
So I improved that all things by QSpiders only, sir. Thank you for QSpiders
Punjagutta.
Punjagutta.
Good. And what is the company which you have selected? Okay. What is the role there?
Junior software engineering.
Okay. Good. And what is the package?
PLPS, sir.
Okay. Good. Congrats and thank you for this valuable feedback from our end. And
Thank you, sir.
do hard work in our company and thank you.
Thank you, sir.